In previous video, the chapter 3 physical quantities and measurement, we did know about measurement, physical quantities, and the parts of the physical quantities, fundamental physical quantities, and we know about derived physical quantities and measurement of physical quantities. We did know magnitude and the unit. Now we will come to the going to the units. It means traditional units in the from the ancient period. And traditional unit, what is the traditional units? We are showing about, we are looking a hand, and some fingers is a handspan. Yani ki we will know that this figure's name is a cubit, and this figure's name is a handspan in some traditional units of a measuring length. So we are going to read this paragraph, traditional units. Initially, people chose their body parts and their natural surroundings as instruments of measurement. In ancient Babylon and Egypt, the earliest tools to measure length were the cubit, the handspan, the palm, and the fingers. Okay, in ancient Babylon and Egypt, the earlier tools to measure length were the cubit, the handspan, the palm, and the fingers. Okay, the cubit is, what is cubit? Cubit is a elbow to big fingers length, and the handspan is like a balish, and the handspan is like a handspan. And in ancient times, the persons used these types of the tools to measure length: cubit, handspan, palm, and the fingers. So the next line is, the cubit was the length of an adult person's forearm from the elbow to the tip of the middle finger. It means this figure is indicate this line, and the cubit was the length of an adult person's forearm from the elbow to the tip of the middle finger. And now we come to the, what is handspan? Handspan was the length from the tip of the thumb to the tip of the little finger of a outstretched hand. Yani ki this is the outstretched hand, the thumb to the little finger length. Okay, outstretched hand. A palm was the width of the hand. A finger or digit was the width of the middle finger. Okay, the Greeks developed the foot as their fundamental unit. As their fundamental unit of length. A foot was the length of an adult person barefoot, यानी कि नंगे पैर. एक बड़े इंसान के नंगे पैर जो होते थे, उसके हिसाब से लेंथ का 1 फुट को मेजर किया जाता था. दे मेजर टाइम विद द मूवमेंट ऑफ द सन. दे मेजर टाइम यानी कि समय को वो सन के मूवमेंट के अकॉर्डिंग से मेजर करते थे. एंड द मून एंड अदर हेवनली बॉडीज. नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ इज, during the medieval period, one of the most popular system of measurement was the British traditional system known as the foot-pound second, in short FPS system. During the medieval period, one of the most popular systems of measurement was the British traditional system known as the bare foot-pound FPS system. In this system, the foot was the unit of length, pound was the unit of mass, and second was the unit of time. Each foot considered of 12 inches. Each inch being the length of three barley corns placed end to end. Each foot consisted of 12 inches, and each inch being the length of 3 barley corns placed end to end. In this box, the word inch comes from the Latin word uncia, meaning 1/12 part. The word inch comes from the Latin word uncia, meaning 1/12 part. Need to standardize units. So, need to standardize units. The traditional units were not uniform, as the length of a cubit, foot, and handspan varied from person to person. The traditional units were not uniform, as the length of a cubit, foot, and handspan varied from person to person according to their body size. So these units could not be used for scientific measurements where accuracy was a prime concern. Therefore, people felt the need to have standard units which could be used for accurate measurement and could be accepted universally. The metric system. The next paragraph is the metric system. In 1791, the French Academy of Sciences developed a system of measurement which was not only simple but also scientific. In 1791, the French Academy of Sciences developed a system of measurement which was not only simple but also scientific. In this system, the unit of length was named as meter, and hence the system came to be known as the metric system. In this system, the unit of length was named as meter, and hence the system came to be known as the metric system. The unit of mass was named as gram, and the unit of capacity or volume was named as liter. The MKS and the CGS system, the MKS and the CGS system. With the passage of time, the metric system gave rise to two variants. With the passage of time, the metric system gave rise to two variants, the system of measurement based on centimeter, gram, seconds, in short CGS. Units are called the CGS system, and the system which used the metric kilogram second MKS as units came to known as the MKS system. In the boxes, here is the give a table of SI units, fundamental physical quantities, and their unit name and symbols. Length has a meter, in short m. Mass, kilogram, in short small kg. Time, unit is second, and the symbol is S. And electric current, unit is ampere, the symbol is capital A. Temperature, unit is Kelvin, symbol is capital K. Amount of substance, symbol is mole, MOL, mole, and the unit is mole. Luminous intensity, unit name is candela, and the symbol is CD.